After running the calculate accrual process, you notice that employees' balances have not been updated despite the process running to a successful status. Your customer has requested that the process should fail if any employee is in error. What absence batch parameter should you decrease to achieve this requirement? Option A. Errors. Option B. Chunk size. Option C. Thread count. Option D. Thread size. Option E. Minimum errors. Option F. Total threads. Option G. Maximum errors. The correct answer is option B, C, D. You selected the Evaluate Remaining Entitlement Without Absence Record checkbox on the Participation tab of the Create Absence Plan page for a qualification plan whose term is calendar year. This enables HR specialists to underscore. Option A. View complete qualification plan entitlement details defined for a worker, even without an absence record. Option B. View partial plan entitlements when a worker applies for multiple absences and all of the absences fall in the same payment percentage. Option C. View partial plan entitlements when a worker applies for multiple absences and all of the absences fall in different payment percentages. Option D. View partial plan entitlements when a worker applies for only a single absence for the plan. The correct answer is option A. An employee is enrolled in the following accrual plans, both of which are linked to the same absence type: floating holiday priority, balance equals days, no negative balance allowed. Vacation priority, balance equals days, negative balance allowed with a limit of days. Describe how a day absence will be processed using this absence plan setup. Option A. Decrease floating holiday balance by 2 days and vacation balance by 5 days. Option B. Decrease vacation balance by 5 days and floating holiday balance by 2 days. Option C. Decrease floating holiday balance by 2 days and vacation balance by 2 days. Option D. Decrease vacation balance by 3 days and floating holiday balance by 2 days. Option E. Decrease floating holiday balance by 2 days and vacation balance by 3 days. The correct answer is option D. Identify 3 actions that you cannot perform through a spreadsheet load. Option A. Associating eligibility profile with an absence plan. Option B. Editing existing absence objects. Option C. Creating up to 5 accrual bands for a single accrual plan. Option D. Creating absence certifications. Option E. Loading an absence with the childbirth or placement pattern. Option F. Associating up to 5 absence plans with a single absence type. The correct answer is option C, E, F.